Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you ready to wash your car? Well, I am with these super absorbent USANOOKS microfiber cloths. So when you say super absorbent, it means really absorbent. A third cup of water and it only goes through the first 2 layers and not the rest. You need this when you're cleaning your car. And I used it on a dirty part of my car, and that is my mats. This really did the job. I love the absorbent of all the dirt, and I could use it even more. Now looking at how it cleans windows, it does a great job. These cloths don't leave lint behind. I love them for my windows, and it brings a shine that really makes you proud of cleaning your car. Now on the chrome, I love some chrome shining up, and that's what this cloth is great for. You will love these cloths like I do. So make washing your car easy by using USANOOKS microfiber cloths. I love them, I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.